What's up guys, welcome to our channel and خوش آمدید the channel yes.
Yeah.
So leave this one.
Muntazir,
No, come on.
be fast. You're kind of girl. Yeah, bagos. We are here five
or
people.
six.
Five.
Oke, selamat datang sekali lagi ke Urang Sunda Asli. Dan hari ini kita ada banyak teman-teman dari mana-mana saja. Kita di sini di Bogor. Ini.
Assalamualaikum. Nama asma Asta Hussein. I am ma as Pakistan aston.
Mantap.
हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आरिफ है, मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ.
السلام عليكم. أنا منتظر من العراق وأتشرف في كل أصدقائي.
And what's up? My name's Chris. I'm from America. Yeah.
Not Deb.
Amrik.
Let's Deb. Team Deb.
Oke, Team Deb.
Yo.
Okay, now we gotta think of the questions.
You guys have aeroplane. Aeroplane.
Oke, jadi kita ada beberapa pertanyaan. Use a few questions to ask about each country today. Pertanyaan pertama, di mana kau di negara sendiri-sendiri, di mana simpan uang di rumahnya? Where do you put your money in your house?
Me?
Yeah,
In
in your
my
country in general. Yeah.
in my under bed in the
Oh,
job.
good to know. Just curious. Just not. Yeah. Hey, what about you? Where do you keep your money?
Where I'm keeping my money, I don't remember.
Huh.
Yeah.
Well, if you tell me, I'll help you find it someday.
You will?
Yeah, I'll help you find it.
I think.
But I won't
Yeah.
tell you if I find it. Di negara kamu di Amerika, di mana kau simpan uang di rumahnya biasanya?
Usually I just put it in my pocket and I forget about it. Wash it in the laundry.
Sedikit sulit ambil uang dari situ. Mereka nggak ngerti tapi. Ya.
Okay. I can understand.
Where do you keep your money?
Sometimes in my pocket and sometimes in my shoe.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Is it good place?
Oh.
No, don't touch it.
Oh.
Good place.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
very
it's
good.
not
Very
very
safe, yeah.
Yeah.
How about you?
I don't tell people where I put my money or else someone's gonna take it.
Oh
No, we are not.
It's not good.
Why are you guys asking me where I put my money? You gonna
Because
take my
You watch
money?
us.
Yeah.
What?
You are thief?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Oh.
Sorry.
no.
Are you
Okay.
sure?
Okay, for the next question. Okay, my next question for your country. What's the next question? Pertanyaan kemudian, bahwa kalian atau gimana kau mandi di negara sendiri-sendiri? How do you shower? How do you take a bath in your country?
Me?
Yes.
I shower in outdoor, like wild, like no everyone to see me. Ha! Like this.
Very nice.
It's so fun to shower outside without any clothes. Yeah.
I don't shower.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know how to shower, how to take a bath.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
That was a different.
No, no.
Sorry. Wait.
Yeah.
How do you shower
It was
in
nice.
America?
I shower every day.
Oh.
Every day. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, hot water.
Every day?
Hot water, yeah.
Whoa, hot water.
he's not clean.
I wash my body a week 3 times. 3 times a week.
3 times a week.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You know the enjoy time when I open single song and start the song without clothes.
Oh. You must just see this video.
Very interesting.
How about you in Indonesia? How do you?
So maybe shower 3-4 times a day.
Oh, 3 times, 4 times a day.
Yeah. he is
Sebelum
very
ke
clean.
sekolah, before I go to school, take a shower. When I come home from school, take a shower.
Great job.
Oh yes. it's very, I don't know why you guys take shower like this. Oh, nggak tahu kenapa negara lain mandi segitu. Di Indonesia kita mandi banyak tering kan. Iya. Yuk, terima kasih untuk nonton. Thank you for watching. Thank you my friends.
See you. Subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, please. And see you next
Yo.
time. Don't forget.